Showbiz Chika, balitang kontrobersya. Pinoy Showbiz Chika, dito ang chika. Pinoy Showbiz Chika, balitang kontrobersya. Pinoy Showbiz Chika, dito ang chika.
Welcome sa Pinoy Showbiz Chika. Tonight, Sangre versus The Alibi, isang debate na siguradong puno ng init at prangka na sagutan. Alibi, para lang kayong barangay drama na walang budget. Sangre is epic, may powers, may kingdoms, may legacy. Hindi kayo makaka-level sa amin kahit anong pilit. Epic daw, Sangre is just cosplay na pinilit gawing seryoso. Alibi is raw, gritty, walang palamuti. Hindi kami fantasy na pangbata, kami ang totoong kwento ng buhay. Raw, gritty, ang boring. Sangre fans feast on mythology, lore, and drama. Alibi fans, gutom sa relevance, kaya nag-aaway sa kanto para lang mapansin. Relevance? Sangre is recycled magic with bad wigs and fake swords. Alibi hits hard, walang pa-cute, walang pa-hero, puro totoong sugat at galit na ramdam ng lahat. Kami may kingdoms, prophecies, elemental battles, kayo may bote ng beer, chismis at away sa tindahan. Sangre builds worlds, Alibi breaks them with bitterness. At least kami grounded. Sangre fans live in Delulu land, pretending na may power sila. Alibi fans face reality head-on, walang takas, walang filter, walang ilusyon. Reality daw? Acting nyo parang CCTV footage. Flat, walang emosyon, walang puso. Sangre delivers drama na may puso at luha, hindi robotic na walang kaluluwa. Costume nyo parang Divisoria sale. Gold daw pero mukhang foil sa lumpia. Sangre is glitter na halata namang peke. Alibi is grit, mas matapang, mas totoo, mas ramdam. Ang init ng sagutan. Keep it going, ladies. Let's hear more from both sides. Sangre fans are loyal, classy, cultured. Alibi fans, loud, bitter, palengkera, and allergic to imagination. Kaya stuck kayo sa galit, kami soaring sa fantasy. Culture daw? Sangre fans are elitist snobs na takot sa real life, detached sa reality. Kami, we fight with truth, we embrace pain, hindi kami takot sa reality check. Check the ratings, girl. Sangre dominates primetime, millions ang nanonood. Alibi, pang-ulilas lahat, pang-ghost viewers, walang pumapansin kahit anong hype, mga trying hard. Ratings? Puro hype. Critics love Alibi's grit and honesty. Sangre? Puro pa-epic pero walang depth. Puro palamuti na walang laman. Zero social relevance. We have elemental wars, divine bloodlines, epic destinies, ayaw maway sa bahay ay na mag-asawa at puro kwentong kabit or adultery. Sangre is legend, Alibi is chismis level. Epic destinies? More like epic cringe. Alibi shows trauma, scars, and raw emotion. These are relevant in life. Sangre shows tantrums, tiras, at fake heroism rooted in imagination. Sangre is legacy, iconic, historic, unforgettable. Alibi, Google, can you find your pages? Sangre is immoral, Alibi is disposable. Very forgettable. Legacy ng kabaduyan. Sangre is a reheated fantasy soup. Alibi is raw, brave, and real. Hindi pangarap, hindi ilusyon, kundi totoong nangyayari sa society. Rooted in reality. Intense ang sagutan, Sangre versus Alibi, parehong matindi, parehong walang atrasan. Salamat sa inyong prangkang sagot. Kayo mga viewers, let us know kung sino pa gusto nyo makita sa isang debate. Antayin namin sagot ninyo.
Stay tuned for more debates, chika, at sagutan na walang filter. Next time, mas matindi pa.